Sometimes a single image can tell us more than a dozen rumors or leaked specs ever could. That seems to be exactly the case with the DJI Avata 360. A recently surfaced image provides a rare glimpse at what DJI might be planning for its next-generation drone, and the early details hint at far more than incremental upgrades. At first glance, the concept seems straightforward, a compact FPV-style drone that can also capture full 360 degrees footage. But beneath that simplicity lies a complex design, a hybrid workflow strategy, and a vision for how immersive aerial content could be captured more efficiently. In this breakdown, we'll analyze what the leaked image reveals about the DJI Avata 360, what features it might include, and how it could impact creative workflows for both FPV pilots and 360 degrees content creators. One of the first things to notice in the leaked image is the connection between the drone and a DJI RC controller. The live feed on the controller screen suggests that DJI is prioritizing low-latency transmission and stable connectivity even at the prototype stage. The controller bears a strong resemblance to the DJI RC2, which hints at ecosystem consistency. For users already familiar with DJI controllers, this continuity could reduce the learning curve and make adoption of the DJI Avata 360 much smoother. Familiar hardware allows pilots to focus on flying and creativity rather than adapting to a completely new interface, which is especially valuable in FPV environments where control precision is critical. The drone itself draws attention immediately. Its Cine-Whoop-inspired form factor is compact and enclosed by full propeller guards, emphasizing safety and maneuverability for indoor flights or tight, controlled shots. This design clearly signals DJI's intent to cater to environments where both agility and protection are essential. Whether flying through tight hallways, between trees, or inside studio setups, pilots can feel more confident that the drone will remain safe and controllable. This balance of protection and portability has long been a strength of DJI's FPV drones, and the DJI Avata 360 seems to refine that concept even further. Camera design is one of the most intriguing aspects of the leak. The image shows a tilting mechanism along with a forward-facing lens, suggesting that the drone may not be limited strictly to 360 degrees capture. Instead, it could offer a hybrid system, allowing creators to switch between fully immersive 360 degrees footage and a traditional FPV forward-facing perspective similar to previous Avata models. For practical use, this is significant. Filmmakers or content creators could adapt the drone to the shot at hand, switching between immersive and standard FPV modes without carrying multiple drones or external rigs. In essence, DJI is combining two traditionally separate workflows into a single, flexible platform. Of course, combining FPV and 360 degrees capabilities introduces technical challenges. Adding dual capture systems increases weight, heat generation, and processing demands. How well DJI manages these trade-offs will determine the DJI Avata 360's usability. If the company can optimize heat management, flight dynamics, and processing efficiency, pilots may enjoy the best of both worlds: immersive footage for post-production flexibility and traditional FPV for familiar flight control, all within one compact unit. Transmission technology also stands out in the leaked visuals. The controller connection, potentially using DJI's O4 system, implies a focus on improved range and signal stability. Transmission quality is crucial not only for maximum distance but for confidence when navigating complex environments. A reliable connection ensures smooth operation when flying indoors, around obstacles, or in fast-paced cinematic maneuvers. The wired connection in the prototype may simply be a test setup, underscoring DJI's commitment to fine-tuning communication protocols before release. Reliable transmission is particularly important for 360 degrees capture, where any lag or drop in signal could compromise footage integrity. The leak also included a broader view of the kit, showing spare batteries in the charging hub. While seemingly mundane, this gives insight into DJI's intended use case. Multiple batteries suggest frequent, creative use rather than casual recreational flying. Given the Cine-Whoop style design, moderate flight times are expected, emphasizing control, precision, and safety over raw endurance. This aligns with the hybrid workflow focus: short bursts of immersive 360 degrees footage and FPV filming, where reliability and flexibility outweigh the need for extended solo flights. Pricing information from China indicates that DJI may aim to make the DJI Avata 360 accessible to hobbyists and semi-professional creators. The standalone drone seems affordably priced for users who already own controllers or goggles, while standard and Fly More packages increase moderately. Adjusted for the US market, a Fly More combo could land around $1,000, positioning the drone between traditional Cine-Whoop builds and higher-end professional FPV rigs. This approach signals DJI's strategy: deliver a capable, hybrid 360 degrees platform without fully stepping into the professional cinema drone pricing range. Timing for the release appears consistent with DJI's usual product cycles. Current projections suggest a launch in early 2026, giving DJI time to refine firmware, optimize performance, and ensure stability. This window also allows for early hands-on testing and sample footage to surface before broader availability. These early impressions will likely provide far more practical insights than leaked images alone, showing how the drone handles in real-world conditions, both in terms of flight performance and image quality. From the details available, it seems the DJI Avata 360 isn't attempting to reinvent the wheel. Instead, it represents a thoughtful convergence of two functions: FPV agility and immersive 360 degrees capture. The hybrid concept addresses multiple needs simultaneously, consolidating tools that previously required separate drones or setups. Creators who want both FPV and 360 degrees capabilities can now do so with a single platform, simplifying workflows, reducing setup time, and minimizing the gear needed for shoots. It's a solution designed for versatility rather than spectacle. Safety and control are central to the Avata 360's identity. Full propeller guards, a compact Cine-Whoop style body, and DJI-grade stabilization indicate that the drone is built for confidence in challenging environments. Whether flying indoors, weaving through obstacles, or performing precise close proximity shots, pilots can trust the drone to perform predictably. Combined with low-latency transmission, dual capture modes, and familiar controller ergonomics, DJI appears to prioritize workflow efficiency and pilot confidence above flashy features or spec wars. Camera flexibility remains a standout feature. The tilting mechanism and hybrid FPV/360 capture options provide creative freedom previously unavailable in a single drone. 360 degrees enthusiasts can capture full spherical footage for post-production framing, while FPV pilots retain forward-facing filming for dynamic, cinematic movement. This versatility allows creators to adjust shooting modes mid-flight, reducing the need for multiple drones and simplifying production setups. It's a design choice that prioritizes practical utility and creative control. In conclusion, the DJI Avata 360 appears to be shaping up as a versatile hybrid drone that merges FPV agility with full 360 degrees capture in a compact, safe, and thoughtfully engineered package. Leaked images and early details suggest careful attention to camera flexibility, stabilization, transmission quality, and workflow integration. Pricing and kit options aim to balance accessibility with high-end capability, while a projected early 2026 release fits DJI's established pattern of deliberate, well-prepared launches. For creators looking to combine immersive footage with dynamic FPV flight, the DJI Avata 360 promises to be one of the most practical and flexible solutions in DJI's lineup yet. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like and subscribe for more detailed previews, analysis, and hands-on insights for the latest tech and drone releases.